Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2014 GMC Sierra. This vehicle is featured in white metallic paint with chrome alloy rims. We have our chrome mirror caps, door handles, as well as rear privacy tint and heated seats. Now onto the interior of the Sierra. On our door panel we can see we have our chrome door handle, memory seat option, chrome door handle, as well as our window and mirror controls with power mirror fold-in option. A carbon fiber soft touch material on the sides here and an armrest. Below we have our Bose speaker and storage. Inside of the seat we have our power adjustable seats and lumbar support option. Left of the steering wheel we have some storage, four-wheel drive and lighting controls. Gauge cluster with screen and digital speedometer. Multifunction leather wrapped steering wheel. Infotainment screen with backup camera, phone connectivity. And below that we have our radio controls and CD player, dual zone climate controls and heated seat options. Our vehicle controls and pedal adjustment. Charging outlets, we got three USB ports, two 12-volt charging outlets and a 3-prong outlet. Some more storage in the middle area, two cup holders, padded leather center console with phone holder. And inside we have an additional two USB ports, SD card slot, and auxiliary input. So just in the front here we have 5 USB outlets and two 12-volt charging ports. Front seats are featured in black leather with red stitching. And we have our carbon fiber-esque again in the seats, you can see off to either side. On the rear view mirror we have OnStar controls. Above that are reading lights and a sunglass holder. Back onto the exterior, we can see our chrome alloy rims with GMC badge center caps, all-terrain badging off to the side in red and chrome. And we have our chrome mirror caps and door handles, as well as chrome running boards with rubber steps. Moving around to the back, we have a paint-matched rear bumper with bumper steps off to either side, hitch, GMC badging in red, and our full paint-matched truck bed. Onto the rear interior now, we can see our chrome door handle, window switch, as well as our speaker and storage. Back of the front seats we have our leather magazine holders. And back of the center console area we have our couple of storage areas and charging outlet. And our back seats are a 60/40 fold down split with fold down center seat featuring two cup holders inside. Thank you for joining me for this video walk around of our 2014 GMC Sierra. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.